Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we are discussing about what is Meraki Partners. They help entrepreneurs leverage a stock exchange listing to build their business and create significant wealth. A Meraki partner is a certified reseller of their product. They also offer training, resources, implementation, assistance, and ongoing support for their customer. Using a Meraki partners means taking advantage of their knowledge and expertise to get your network secured faster and more efficiently. Now, what is Meraki means? To do tasks with soul, creativity, and love. Well, the Greek verbal adverb Meraki refers to something rather similar. Meraki is used by Greek to describe scenarios when a person has really put a part of themselves into something. Now, why is it called Meraki? It is easy to understand to a story behind the company name. In Greek, the word Meraki translates to soul, creativity, and love. Is Meraki a firewall? Cisco Meraki next generation firewall is included in all wireless access points and security appliances. Who created Meraki? Meraki was founded by Sanjeet Biswas and John Bickett along with Hans Roberts. The company was based in part on the MIT RoofNet project and experimental 802.11b/z mesh network developed by the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Who is the CEO of Meraki? Mark Harmon, CEO Meraki. Is Meraki a name? The name Meraki is a girl's name meaning doing something with soul, love, creativity, or devotions. Meraki is one of those untranslatable words that only exist in the single language. It's the Greek concept of putting your whole heart into something. Now, where is Meraki from? Soul, creativity, and love. Meraki is a welcoming universe of comfort and wellness that invites you to turn daily self care into moments of calm. Our products are designed and developed in Denmark, inspired by Scandinavian aesthetics and created with love and respect of nature's treasury. Now, what is Meraki used for? What exactly is Cisco Meraki? Cisco Meraki allows you to configure security for internet connected device, routers, switches, firewall, and Wi-Fi network your company uses through an internet connected browser. It provides a convenient and efficient way for configuring your organization entire network. Now, what is the difference between Cisco and Meraki? Cisco VWLC is an on-premise managed. The Meraki cloud controller interface can be managed from any location with internet access as the controller is just in the cloud. Meraki has a mobile app that is iOS or Android compatible so that the environment can be managed from truly anywhere and any device. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.